All right, what's good, guys? I'm gonna break down this beautiful trade. Guess what? I didn't make. Actually, I made 0.2% on that, but break even trade because of the news. I had to go break even. Glad I did because spreads would probably take me out. Don't wanna, don't want to risk that. So as you can see over here, news in 30 minutes. Be conservative. Can delete that, and let's break the trade down from the daily time frame. So yesterday, on the back of news, we came into the highest liquidity. As you know, we still have this bullish range. We're looking for sells now. Um, Structure wise, look, I put the structure on a higher level so it's more visible. This is our latest bullish range from this low up to this high. So we broke bearish, took internal range liquidity, followed up by a bullish break, taking out the high time frame liquidity. So therefore, we can look for shorts, line it up. The price took previous daily highs. Asia took previous daily highs. So Asia highs were not on the card for me. Ooh, look at this. Targets. Ellen the beast. All right. So Asia or highs were not on the line for me. I was looking for shorts into either this 50-minute fair value gap, but I was actually looking for the news lows because usually news impulses get taken out because there's no liquidity. And these are pretty fast moves. There are not a lot of orders here and here, so they get taken out pretty fast. Therefore, I was targeting the 4-hour POI, as you can see over here, because of the high time for momentum and price could still come up or below news lows. So yeah, this is like the high time for reasoning. And now we reached discount. Trade played out perfectly 1 to 10. Unfortunately, I couldn't be in there. I followed my plan, so that's good. Let's break it down further. So coming into today, what happened? We had this low that was taken. Yeah, but what we can see, previous daily highs taken. Then on 50-minute, we can see a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So actually, this one, lower high, lower low. Actually, let's take this off because it's a bit, you can see what happened there. And then you can see I marked it out like that, but this is our 50-minute POI. I just followed the range. I tried to short over here, but there was no entry drill, so I couldn't short there, even though the trades were valid. So coming in here, can we see we take out this internal high, and that was another reason for me to look for it. Like I was extra confident taking it. Not much internal range liquidity. You could maybe say like this is on the way down. This is a little high that led to another low. So that's maybe some internal range liquidity. Then we can class this impulse before the break as internal range liquidity. So internal range liquidity taken. Then what can we see over here? Let's remove that to make it more clear. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, bearish break. I class this as a tap in the order block, so this order block was already mitigated. Therefore, this were early sellers. Sorry. Early sellers taken out, and still not entry time. Then bearish break, still not entry time. See, we can see price building up liquidity to the downside over here, so giving me more confident that we can go short. And I entered 1 minute before my entry time over here. As you can see, block just gets mitigated. So if I put my stop too tight, it would have been a loss. 20, 25. The trade would just hold on, but I was feeling better having my stop loss above here. Just about 0.1 pip, but it's already like a lot above the block. So was cool with that. Then price comes here, breaks this low, sorry. and I reduced my loss somewhere over here because minor respected price respected this block just a little bit, and news was coming out over. Oh, I was like, that's a bit tricky. So over here, I decided to break even, and as soon as news came out, we respected this 5 minute block over here. As you can see, that's where this impulse came from. And news came out, and you can see that wick over here. Let's delete that real quick. You can see this wick. I don't know if you can see it. But basically, that was the strong news wick, and it took me out. My stop was here, and it took me out here. So that's like 5 pips. So I was okay. So imagine my stop being here and over here. Look at this, and then 5 pips. 20 would have been 70. That would have been huge slippage as well. So cool. Previous daily high taken, trade to the downside. 1 to 5 is exactly if you go to the 50 minute, you can see that this is where the fair value gap starts. And it literally is 1 to 5. So that would have been my target. And then the highs over here. I think it's this one from New York. Yeah. 1 to 10.6. Beautiful trade. Nothing I could do. Followed the plan. So yeah, that's a case study. Peace out.